Coming, bud? How's it going? Coconut, come here. We're out here hiking towards a hidden little glade that we found a couple of years ago. Really awesome spot. I'm not sure if we'll make it there by tonight. We might camp a little further out and then just push on to it tomorrow. Coconut is carrying his pack. He's doing a great job. He's enjoying the heck out of all of the perennial bunch grasses that are out along the trail. And we're looking forward to maybe an overnighter, maybe a couple of nights. We can kind of stay out here for a few days if we wanted to, so that should be nice. Got a couple more miles to go before we're done hiking for the evening, but nothing too bad. For trees to have branches all on one side in areas with very high prevailing winds is known as krumholz. It's sort of like the trees look like a banner or a flag. These white bark pines are an excellent example. So we've got a little wind shelter set up here. Hung up some tarps against some trees. And now we're just getting ready for dinner. Looking at those pork chops, Coconut. We made it up to Round Top Lake. We're thinking about pressing on towards Kori Lokhan tomorrow, rather than trying to push all the way there today, because the sun's getting a little low and there's no reason to push it. We got time, so we're gonna do that probably tomorrow. everything's pretty much done for the evening. The humans have had their dinner, but now it's time for Coconut's dinner. Coconut! Coconut! Come here, bud. Come here. Look at that. Good boy. And I think I'm gonna have him sleep over here with me behind the windbreak as well, just to keep him a little warm. But having a little bit of dinner there should help as well. It will keep his metabolism up, I hope. And he hopefully won't get too cold tonight, because it is a little brisk. And he deserves to be comfy. So we realized this morning that we had left all of the charging cables back at the car, which means I get to go for a quick little 7-mile jog to get them. Got the cables, disposed of the trash. 3.7 miles down, only 3.7 back to the camp. And it's uphill this time. I'm sure it'll go great. And there's the lake. Sorry about the wind. Yeah, we're back. Only 7 miles?
I have a visual on you.
So, we're out here making our way from 4th of July Lake, Round Top Lake over to Kori, Lokhan. And you can see the trail goes up that way. And there's switchbacks that go over the top of 4th of July Peak there. That's the way that we took last time. There's a trail that skirts around the back side. Seems like it keeps a higher contour than what we were planning on, so we're gonna try it.
That way? Yep. Okay. Go on, Coconut. Let's get up it. Oh, yeah.
The glen that we're hiking to is called Kori Lokhan. Kori is a Scots-derived synonym for what French or English geographers would call a cirque, a bowl-shaped depression carved by the bottom of a now receded glacier. Lokhan is the diminutive version of the Scottish loch, and translates to pond or small lake. The Kori in which this Lokhan sits is isolated from the outside world by extremely rough terrain, the last several miles of which has no established trails. The craggy granodiorite glacier valley, rimmed by towering fells and ripe with heather, really does feel nearly as Caledonian as it does Californian. Well, we made it. It's a heck of a hike. The saddle's up there, and there's a lot of terrain between there and here, but this place is just magical. So we're gonna have mashed potatoes with salmon for dinner. I've got two options here. These expired 19th May 2016. These best before 3rd March 2010. So we're gonna go with the fresh ones here. The loaded baked flavor. Let's see, does this have a best by date on it? 2018. Alright. Cool.
I'm good with it. I'm fine.
Yep.
That's fresh enough.
That's totally cool. Can's not dented, so there's no botulism.
Yeah, it's fine.
Good morning, Coconut. How are you, buddy? Do you want to get that leash off? Oh, stretch. Stretchy goat. There you go. Why don't you go get some breakfast, bud? Hello, little one. What's your name? Pacific Chorus Tree Frog. Look at how cute he is. All curled up. Just sleeping in the sunlight. I've never found a bivy sack that didn't get condensation down in the foot box. I know it's made of ostensibly waterproof, breathable material. It's always getting damp. Maybe just because of the boundary layer between, as it hits this, it's hitting the dew point and condensing or something. Even if it could theoretically pass through it. Oh well, just gotta dry it out every morning. So there's the meadow right down there, and the route to get there is pretty non-obvious. So we've been building little cairns right along the way. Little trail ducks. so that hopefully we can find our way back easier next time.